Welcome to Everyone Can Jam. This is a place where everyone can learn to play music, and I'm your teacher, Janet Brockman. I'm excited to share this new idea with you today. It's a new shape for the F chord. I mean, it's not new to the world, I'm sure, but it's new to me. I hadn't thought of it before, and I hadn't seen it before shown in, beginner guitar books or anything like that. And I just thought it up when I was working with a student the other day, and we both like it a lot, and it's helpful. It's a little easier physically than some of the F chord shapes that you'll see commonly. I still would like you to learn, the real F chord. There's, the one with the 4 strings and the one with the bar. And I'm preparing another video to help you to jump those hurdles for learning the F chord. There are a lot of things that help, little details of the shape of your hand and such that make it easier. But for now, I want to teach you this F chord that is physically easier to do, and it has a nice depth to it, and it sounds nice, and it'll get you pretty far. So I'm going to assume that you're familiar. Well, first of all, I just want to show you the chart. For some people, or if you're a teacher, this might be all you need. The 1st string and the 6th string are muted. But I'm going to assume that you're familiar. This is the F shape that you will normally see in a beginning guitar book. The 1st finger squeezes the 1st and 2nd string on the 1st fret. The 2nd finger is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And the 3rd finger is on the 4th string, 3rd fret. And by the way, just take a quick look at the shape of my hand. We'll go into this more on the next lesson about how to make F. But notice how this finger's not like that, it's turned to the side. And I'm using the sides of my fingers. We'll talk more about that later. So from this shape, that if you're not familiar with this, that's okay. We can go at it another way. But from this shape, what you're going to change is move finger 3 to the 5th string on the 3rd fret. Little finger is going to come where finger 3 just was. Okay? Let's do that again. F that you normally see. 3rd finger moves to 5th string, 3rd fret, and little finger goes where 3rd finger just was. And now just relax. Keep those fingertips about where they are, but and keep a nice relaxed straight wrist. Let your thumb sneak around. So the kind of shape of everything is going to change a little bit. It's kind of like a loose fist. Your thumb is just going to reach around and touch the 6th string. The thumb is muting the 6th string. The 1st finger is now just fretting the 2nd string, and it's touching the 1st string though. So the 1st string is muted. Okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with this F shape, let's just go over it again. Just go ahead and place 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. 3rd finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret. Little finger, 4th string, 3rd fret. And then we just make your wrist straight and relaxed, kind of a loose fist shape. Thumb is touching the 6th string to mute it. This finger, you can feel your finger touching the 1st string, but it's not squeezing the 1st string, it's muting the 1st string. Let me show you what it sounds like. So see how that's a little deeper than even that one that you'll normally see. The school buses are going by, sorry. I'm going to play it for you in context so you can see that it sounds kind of whole and complete. Hopefully you can hear it over the school buses going by. That's the F. Ta-da! So I hope you enjoy that. Oh, and by the way, this does require a new skill, perhaps, muting, so there is a little finesse in touching the string. This thumb isn't squeezing, it's touching. but it's physically easier than the other Fs that you'll commonly see. And just be patient. You know, when you learn something new, it takes a little time. If you're partway there, that's success. And we'll talk about more about that process in the next lesson. So the next lesson about F, we'll work on some tips that will really, you know, help you a lot to make this F, the one you commonly see, and not only this F, but bar chords in general. It'll give you a lot of good tips for making bar chords. In the meantime, you can already look for this on YouTube, on the Janet Brockman channel. How to make your fingers, I'm reading backwards, how to make your fingers reach chord shapes on the guitar. There's some helpful tips there. And also how to make B minor easier. That'll help you not only with B minor, but with bar chords in general, which will of course help you with that bar chord F. And please visit everyonecanjam.com. There are a plethora of opportunities on this website to sign up for my email list. So if you sign up for my email list, then you'll find out right away when I post the video about, with more help about making the other F chords and many more fun, wonderful things about making music. There's a fun blog there too. Right now we're working on brain blogs, which is understanding how the brain learns music. And understanding that whole process makes the whole process of practicing and progressing much more enjoyable. So I hope to see you there.